Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing weight and contamination so storage is safe and compact. First, pull the cover toward you and let about 1/2 to 1 inch of water remain near seams so the material stays supported. Next, brush and rinse both sides to remove grit that will abrade fibers in storage. While it's wet, inspect all edges and the body. Note any small tears or warped areas so you can patch them now rather than later. Once done drying to a damp state, you'll fold and roll to minimize creases and trapped water. Lay the cover flat, fold it into loose thirds so edges align without stress. Then roll tightly, keeping tension even to force air out. Rolling toward the center prevents accidental water pockets. Make sure you wrap the roll in a breathable cover or mesh bag and strap it every 2 to 3 feet so it retains shape and airflow during storage. You finish by choosing the right storage location and documenting what you did. Place the wrapped roll off the floor in a cool, shaded area. Inside a shed or garage is ideal, so sunlight and rodents can't damage it. Label the package with the date, pool dimensions, and any repairs needed, and add a silica pack if humidity is a concern. If you find mildew later, unroll and treat with a 1 to 10 bleach solution, rinse completely, and air dry before re-rolling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.